because we're in both spaces. It's the USA and Canada. Put Canada in the chat room if you want some Canadian money. So let's think big and know that this community can reach beyond your state, beyond your city, beyond you. Okay, this community offers success and environment success and even possible healing for people when they join us and become a part of what we're doing. So stay tuned for this new schedule. Get accustomed to it. I know I have people that write us and ask us, oh, how do I become a part of Women in Legal Shield? How do I plug in? Well, number one, here. Okay, this is the place to be, is to come here, be a part of this Facebook group, and then follow us on Instagram. Okay, so make sure you follow us on Instagram. Make sure you're here on Facebook. This is a private site, by the way, so you do have to be an associate to be a part of this. But Instagram is public, so they can follow us there. So most of the time, whatever is posted here for our schedules are also going to be posted on Instagram. So use Instagram as a recruiting tool to your guests to let them know, hey, we have our own Instagram page. Go check us out. We've got so much success. We got things going on there. You want to be a part of it. So anyways, that is it for today, ladies. Take care, take charge. God bless all of you, and we'll see you here next